Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, power down and unplug the TV. You want no live current. Remove the stand or wall mount bolts so the panel can lie flat and label cables with tape. Take 2-3 photos to reconnect later. Ground yourself with an ESD strap and move to a stable, clean work surface. This prevents static damage. Use a plastic spudger to open seams gently, not metal tools which can crack the housing. Once the bezel loosens, make sure to keep screws in a labeled tray. Once the bezel is off, locate the Emi Wallpaper, typically adhesive-backed conductive foil or foam near ports and panel edges. Use a heat gun on low, around 60-80 degrees C, to soften the adhesive so the material peels without tearing. Keep motion constant to protect the panel. Use a plastic pick to lift edges and pull at a low angle. Do not touch the LCD surface with oily fingers. After removal, clean adhesive residue with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free cloth. Make sure to ventilate the area. Reapply shielding only where necessary. Use EMI safe tape or a dab of conductive paint. This keeps functionality without the old wallpaper. Reassemble in reverse order, connect labeled cables, set the panel and torque bolts evenly to avoid stress points. Power up and verify picture and sound. If you still see interference, try a different outlet or add a ferrite clamp to coax and power cables. If the TV won't power, double-check ground and connector seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.